All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to daily update of my 1000 day challenge. This is day 95, so let's get things started. All right, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance is still a little bit down from the 10,000 mark. I'm at 9949 from yesterday, and that's as a result of the main trading setup that actually took a loss. You can see the drop in terms of the crypto market wise, and that resulted in the loss and the drop from 800 over gains to actually 700 over. So there was a loss contributed by it. In terms of the experimental setup, there is actually an increase, if I'm not wrong. There was actually one winning trade and one losing trade, so actually still up a little bit in that sense. All right, and that's about it in terms of my balance update. And moving on to the main market structure update itself, you'll notice that S&P 500 actually transited to some sort of like a neutral zone over here. In fact, you change over to the line chart, it looks very nicely. You can see this very nice consolidation pattern over here. And yeah, so that is something that is a strength of using the line chart in comparison to just using the candlestick chart. Yeah, so potentially like what I say, this could be a support, and potentially I've already added some position last night as well as the price opened higher. So yeah, potentially we could also face some rejection at this 20 exponential average, which was previously the support, now could be the resistance, and we could still fall over here, in which case I'll be getting another tranche of money to add in over there as well for long-term investment. Yep. All right, and similarly for Nasdaq, why is actually for the Nasdaq 100, why is actually a little bit more bearish? Right, let me just close this. Nothing much to update. Okay, so that is an alert for my experimental trading setup that I'm trading on a 1 hour basis. Yeah. All right, so over here in terms of Nasdaq wise, not much of a change. Actually, still looking bearish in that sense. We have an indecision over here, so potentially it could have a small bounce or it could just drop further below. I'm definitely looking to add more here and also over here as well. Or ultimately, if it falls even lower, that would be even great, even better in that sense. As for SHHR and KWAM, actually also added yesterday as well. And reason being is you can see that they are tentatively a bit more bullish. And you can see that price is hovering near the high as well. So that is something that I do quite like because it's showing support at this 50 simple moving average region. And KWAP similarly is hovering near this resistant region, which is great. So to me, it's a kind of like a consolidation prior to breakout, whereby buyers are more proactively buying even though prices is near the previous high. So that's something I'm very interested in to add in as well. And if it does break out, potentially we could have a much stronger break above to the upside of things. And finally, for Bitcoins, in terms of trading position wise, you can see that there's some sort of retracement and exhaustion that was seen over here on the daily chart. However, in terms of the volume, if you look at the daily chart, you realize that there's actually a decrease in volume. So to me, it's still a very healthy pullback. So to me, a large and strong rejection should come with increase in volume to mark a change in terms of the trend. But otherwise, to me, it's more sort of a healthy correction whereby profits are being taken and new bulls could be coming in as well. So over here, although it's consolidating near this support, so potentially we could still face another drop, in which case if it falls near this 12,500 mark, I'll definitely be adding a lot more at the 150 simple moving average on the 4 hourly chart. So that's something I'm interested. Otherwise, in terms of entering a long setup for price action, I will want a cleaner price action, which means a break to the upside over here, the high which is at 13,711. Yeah, above 13.7K before long setup. Yeah, so that is something I need to look for, a bullish market structure. If you look in terms of the line chart, what I want is some sort of like a bullish market structure and to break this high before entering, considering to enter a long setup, because you will also break this downslope trend line as well. So yeah, that's more or less about it in terms of price action wise, and also what I'm going to do in terms of my investment portfolio wise. Yep, so that's about it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.